When it comes to repairing your vehicle, the most common method is to use a jack to lift the car. It's a process every car owner is familiar with, but what if there was a faster and more efficient way to get the job done? You might be surprised to learn that an alternative method exists, one that can save you time and effort. Want to know more? Stay with SetNFix, and we'll reveal the smarter way to lift your car. This time, you'll need to find a chuck extension for your hammer drill. Once you have it, securely attach the rod to the chuck, ensuring a perfect fit. Tighten it properly to prevent any loosening during use. Next, take your hammer drill and connect the chuck to the drill. Before you begin, double-check that the selector switch is set to drill mode and not hammer mode for the correct operation. Now, you can use the hammer drill to lift the car effortlessly. As you operate the drill, make sure you're in a comfortable position with enough space to work safely. I hope this video is helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Be innovative, and stay with SetNFix.